No reason that the washer fluid should be that color.
Oh wait.
Pump it up! The following content contains mature subject matter and coarse language intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised. Pizza. Lots of pizza. So welcome back to the G35 engine swap series. I've just left to go get pizza. Now, it's only been a couple minutes for me, but it's probably been a week or two for you guys. But I have the pizzas, and I'm heading back to the garage, and I'll see how far they've gotten since I've been gone. I come with pizza.
Good. I'll take delivery, see?
How's the car? Got the headlights out?
I'm trying to figure out how to get this whole portion out without fucking up the rad, but I'm pretty sure we have to disconnect the bolts that are after rads. Because when you take it out, the whole thing's coming, including the rad.
I feel that. Yeah, okay.
He's saying, Ryan, okay, he's saying to take this off, right? This piece right here.
Well, okay.
But I don't see a purpose when we can just take this whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing can come off.
We can't, because this is connected and he doesn't want to take the rad off with this. You cannot. You need to take the rad off with it or disconnect it.
Then let's take the rad off with it.
Because the rad hose is literally right there. So I don't know what you want to do.
Okay, this is off.
There it is.
See it? No. Here, pass the...
There it goes.
That's light as dicks.
Mad Max right
And
here.
then they hold that by yourself.
You put the, you have all the bolts for it?
I do.
Yeah, I didn't bag.
It's in the Mad Max bumper bag. All right, now what the hell happens?
This is a plastic section. This is being held on at the bottom.
Oh, that has nothing to do with the rad then.
I know, but the rad's sitting on this right here.
It's connected to the rad by these.
Shake it again, Justin. Okay.
It's
It's
sitting on
connected to the rad.
You also have to take those off.
Here, hold up, let me pull this. Hold up, let me pull this. Make sure the rad doesn't drop. It's still sitting.
What are you doing? Yeah?
Big main cord inside.
Oh my god, زي ما كنت تخرج
It's the hood latch.
Yeah, and
Do it. Like I told you, take it off in the first place.
No, it's not just this. It's
the hood
this
latch.
too.
It is. No, it is.
This is also connected to it.
no, it's oh, I guess it is. Yeah, but that's just a clip.
Sebastian, one sec. What is going on?
Just put this hand to
Put the other one.
Put the other one. You like how I knew about that, right? I know how it worked. Put the camera on me. Put the camera on me. Always trust the hoax.
AO gets free. Free AO.
Free AO all times. Mike, free AO?
What?
Free AO? Free AO.
Like, you know how you say free somebody from jail?
Free AO. AO, Mike. AO.
Like Ashley Owens.
Bro, I was right about it. About to take a break. Mike, stop. Mike, I'm not okay, bro. This man's been second-handed for the last month, bro. Like, you put it in his face, he goes. Oh, like, it's bad.
No, just keep it down on the ground. We need the tens. Okay. The only thing now is we need to cut this zip. Oh no, you just pop it out.
Pull out.
Does it just pop out? Yeah, it just pops
Here,
out.
give me a hammer or something.
A hammer.
Wait. Ah! Okay, relax.
It's out. It's out.
That is a dirty rad, boys.
That is a dirty rad.
Mike, get a bucket.
Get a bucket, Mike.
We're good.
There's a bucket over here. We don't need that anymore.
Just in case, we need a bucket on top.
You know what? You're right. Just in case something's leaking from up there.
We don't want it getting on our stuff, bro.
That's why we have the tarp, dude.
Let's see how much windshield washer fluid we have.
That's washer fluid. Don't get that in your mouth. You'll go blind.
It's on my hand,
You're
bro.
right. You're right. That's 100% how it works.
Don't get it in your mouth, Beach says.
It's on my hand, though, so I think I'm going to turn it
Says about a lot of shit.
Gas it.
Mike, look at this car, bro. It's looking like the Mustang from fucking Tokyo.
It's coming apart real nice.
Honestly, you shouldn't even put anything out. You just put the engine in and just
What did you just rip out?
zip tie the rad on.
Jesus Christ.
Tyler looks over all he sees is Justin go.
Why is it
brown?
Honestly, don't know.
every liquid out of your fucking thing brown?
This car's had enough life.
Honestly, true.
Does anybody know what flathead is?
We're about to Lazarus the fuck out of
Yeah,
this
there's
car.
no reason that the washer fluid should be that color.
Oh, wait. Nope, it's
Pump it up! Bella wants to die.
Maybe I'll start having a break call right quick.
It's still leaking, man!
Doing, dog?
I'm just trying to get these percent down.
Ripping all over the lake, bro.
He's trying to fucking put Sebastian in the juice.
Take that off.
Actually, though, if you do get windshield washer fluid in your mouth, you will go blind. 100%.
You'll also probably die.
Oh, yeah.
That's the lesser side effect.
Tells you when it's low.
Like, it's only half as bad as going blind. I'd rather die than go blind.
Honestly, same. If I ingest some, I'll just ingest more to make sure it kills
Hold
me.
this up, somebody.
Good hold, Ryan.
I got it. Grab it, I got it.
Ryan, where is the...
Here's your little motor.
Why does the washer fluid look like coolant?
It's all over my hand, so whatever happens, happens.
Taking off this?
It should be.
It should come out.
Yeah, it's held on by this.
Pull the tube, it should be like maybe a bolt and it comes out.
That's gonna come up, though. What the fuck happened to this car? Has he seen it yet?
Where's the tape? Where's the electrical tape? Oh. Here, I'll take this one.
I don't know what you want to do with
How if this is in the background of the rest of the fucking video? It's just the sound.
Mike, do me a favor, Mike. Mike, put these away, and then put this in the fucking box.
There's only one.
There's two.
There's two.
And then put this in the box. What box? Probably the power bill box.
That's not good.
What?
This?
No, that's your hot and cold.
That's your
Hot and cold.
What do you mean hot and cold?
air conditioner.
Yeah.
But the problem is, this is connected, right? To the rad.
Here, we'll just take these together.
Aaron, you're talking nonsense.
This is connected to the rad, right? Is there any way of detaching that from the rad? Because
Maybe
if
the
not-
tube right here.
No, that's this one. What about this one that is literally attached all the way back up into there?
Again, there's another tube back here that it comes out of. Right there. Calm down. These things don't go all the way through, bro. They can disconnect altogether.
No, this one can't.
The small one?
Yeah, that's the one that's the problem. It goes way back in there, and I'm not sure where.
It doesn't. It curves back and goes back around and down and goes back there. Nice try, though.
I know, but this thing is still connected to this.
Justin, bring me some masking tape. I need to fucking label it.
That goes to the very bottom. Right here.
And does it come out?
There's two pieces here, first of all. So you
Yeah.
don't even have to take this off. You
You're-
can take out this part.
The front one is your air conditioning. The back one is your cooling system for your engine. Jesus Christ.
I want it fall. Yo, move that fucking bucket, bro. I don't need shit falling in there.
True shit.
Next thing you know, he started up, fucking car goes, hey, vape light. What the fuck's a vape light?
What?
Done. Mike,
This man pulls out the first aid kit.
that's going all over the place.
We need
Oh
some
my
triage.
god.
Mike, here.
What'd you do?
I stabbed myself in the most AIDS place.
Why do you need so much gauze?
I didn't cut properly.
If you get injured, ask Bella to fix you. That's gonna be her job.
Boom! No, Sebastian, let's see it. Let's see it. Sebastian, let's see it. That's a fine job.